Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of all your devices in Facebook. Now let's begin. Right here, do make sure that I have installed the Messenger application in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now. Now once you have opened Messenger, what you want to do is simply click on those three buttons that you will find on the top left. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Now from here, simply click on this gear-like icon and then you will be redirected to the settings. Once you clicked on it, here's the settings page right here. Simply scroll down till you find something like See More in Account Center. It's at the very bottom. Just click on it. Now something like this will pop up in your screen. What you need to do is simply look over the Account Setting tab and from here, Password and Security. Just click on it. Now you're going to be redirected to the password and security page. Right here there is something like where you're logged in, just click on it. And since I want to log out of all devices for my Messenger only, here's the Facebook icon right here, just click on it. Now it's going to prompt you to select devices to log out. There's something like select devices to log out, just click on it. Now what you need to do is select the devices you want to log out from. As you want to log out from all the devices, simply select the select all button right here and click on log out. It's gonna ask for your confirmation if you actually want to log out or not. If you don't want to, hit on cancel, else hit on log out right now. Well guys, that's it. That's how you log out of all devices in your Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.